You ready, buddy?
Yeah.
What are we gonna do?
Go outside and play.
Go outside and play. What happened outside?
A snowstorm.
A snowstorm?
Yeah.
When did that happen?
Yesterday.
Holy crap. Alright, you ready to go outside and play in it?
Yeah.
Toto, what about you? You ready?
No. He's shaking his tail.
Ugh. Good luck.
Oh my god.
Whoa! I don't know. And there goes Toto.
Daddy, can you help?
I don't know if we're gonna be able to get out. Oh, hey! I know. It's like as big as you.
I don't know if we're gonna be able to get down, guys.
We'll get down. We might have to slide down. We don't have stairs anymore. We have a slope.
Oh my gosh.
You can make it.
No, I can't, Daddy. I'm really scared.
Yeah, you can.
I don't know if I
Here.
can do this.
Give me your hand.
Daddy, this is dangerous. If
It's
somebody would try this, they would probably die.
You can do it. I believe in you.
I believe I can touch the sky. Now up would be so scary, but down,
Yeah.
down is scary.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Ah!
Ugh.
Daddy, I'm gonna drown.
You're gonna drown? I don't think you're gonna drown. You'll be alright.
Oh my god.
Come on, let's go see what happened to our car.
Okay.
Can you make it?
Yeah.
You'll follow my
I
tracks.
already saw what happened to the car. It's not really bad size.
Oh, really? I don't know.
Actually, I think it'll be fine.
Look at your swing set.
Yeah, that's definitely good.
Wow. You're stuck?
No.
It's up to like up to your chest almost in parts, huh? You can do it. I'm coming. I'm coming. Ugh. Oh my gosh.
I'm sure you don't have as much snow as us.
Look. Hey puppies. The neighbor's dogs. We need Grandpa to come over with a snowblower, huh? I think our car is gone, buddy. Look at it. Underneath that is our car somewhere. That's pretty awesome, huh? Yeah, go ahead. So we went all winter with no snow. Well, most of all winter. No snow for Christmas. Nothing. And then now, more snow than we've ever seen. I think this is more snow than I've ever seen in my life. So I know it's more than you've seen. Oh!
I think I'm. Oh.
What?
My gosh.
Cold?
Yeah.
You want to go in for a minute?
Well, happy 2001. What did you say? Happy Blizzard of 2016.
And it's not done. Not even close.
I think on Monday I'm not gonna have school.
Probably not. Alright, so we're back inside now. It was way too cold for that, huh?
Yeah.
We need to prepare a little bit better. So I'll have to find some gloves later when there's even more snow. Abel's playing, what is this again?
The Force Unleashed.
Alright, Star Wars The Force Unleashed. Abel's gonna play some Star Wars and we're gonna get warmed up and then later we will venture back out.
I'm gonna go to 2 places to get a lot of presents.
So he's been asking, wanting to learn how to edit. So last time we planned a trip to Nanny's house, Daddy got sick and I wasn't able to go. So Abel's learning how to edit already. He's editing one of our vlogs, aren't you?
Yeah.
You're doing good. What have you learned so far?
How to cut it and stuff.
How to cut clips, yeah.
Yeah.
How to drag them together.
Sick, right?
Even if I'm sick, but I'm not gonna be sick.
Yeah.
All right.
I guess I'm gonna cut it right there.
You're gonna cut that clip there?
Yeah.
Wow. Where's he at? Huh? Oh yeah. Abel, did you do a belly flop and I missed it? Face first. Isn't that cold? You might want to get out then. Let me see your face. Look at me.
Abel.
Oh, snowball. Oh, I got him. Just not the face.
See my hat? I made my hat.
You have what?
Handshake.
Sure, nice to meet you. Oh, that's cold. What did you do? The Obbits? What are the Obbits? Abel. Oh, gosh. I need gloves. Hey, what are you doing? What? No! You turned me into a snowman. Toto! Hey, Toto! What do you think, buddy? You can finally get out the front door now. You like the snow, don't you?
Yeah.
But now you can get out and it's not like basically a wall to you. Toto, hey! Hey, boy! What do you think? You happy? You're so happy. He wants to climb in it. Wait, Toto! We're gonna lose you. He's so happy. He loves the snow. Don't you, boy? Don't you love the snow? All right, I think Abel's had his fill for the day. It's freezing. He's happy. No school Monday. So he got at least one snow day this year. Supposed to have another storm like this next week. So we'll see how that turns out. I got snow in my beard. But so he's happy and we're just having fun here. But we're cold. So I think we're gonna go inside and warm up. Maybe have some hot chocolate. But yeah, so far this has been an awesome blizzard of 2016. We will definitely remember this.